Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Native English Vibes. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into something fun and super useful: homophones and homographs. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but can have different meanings. Don't worry. We'll go through lots of examples to explain everything super easily. So, get ready to boost your English. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's jump in. Palm, palm. Fly, fly. Stick, stick. Train, train. Saw, saw. Date, date. Well, well. Spring, spring. Kind, kind. Watch, watch. Tear, tear. Ring, ring. Hair, hair. Night, night. Pray, pray. Which, which. Wait, wait. Bear, bear. Aisle, aisle. None, none. Right, right.